In life, there's one thing that makes people to be different, and that's choices. Sanibonani, football lovers. Welcome to PKS Sports. Igama lami Mbonga Inkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko, in today's video, we'll talk about three players. Peter Shalulile, Ibrahim Jabbar, and uSamkelo Zwane. Kodwa ke niyalazi udaba nani ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi siye kude, cela ningisize ngokulike nokusubscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke mase subscribeile, ngibonga kakhulu. Danko. Ngiyabona ama subscribers manje ahleli lapha ku 8501. Ngibonga kakhulu. Asihlala udabeni. The reason why I've started the video by saying with in life, it's only choices that makes us different as people. It is because what you choose will determine will you succeed or not. So ngiyobuza nje a question ibe simple. Would you prefer to have Peter Shalulile at Chiefs? I hope ukuthi nizongiphendula nibe honest and nisho your sentiments about the player. Peter Shalulile, his contract is coming to an end with the Mamelodi Sundowns, and currently he's waiting to know whether will he be part of Mamelodi Sundowns next season, if they will extend his contract or not, because if you look at the competition, it is stiff at Mamelodi Sundowns. He didn't play much in the season that just ended. But we know very well Guti. Going to Kaizer Chiefs might be another option. You're looking at the age of Peter Shalulile, you see that he's 32 years. And you know his quality, his pedigree as a striker. You look at the strikers Chiefs that have, you look at Flavio da Silva, you look at Peter Shalulile, same kind, the same profile of strikers. Inkinga nje ngoShalulile yodwa, eyeline akayibheki. A machine angabanjwa offside 5 times. But igoal uyalazi yena. Ipaul uyalazi ukuthi lingakuphi. So I'm asking this question futhi. Would you consider having Peter Shalulile at Kaizer Chiefs as one of the strikers? So far, I'd say ukuthi people will be concerned about one thing, the foreign quota. There's no need to worry about that. The foreign quota, there's one spot left, and Peter Shalulile, I cannot say that he's a foreigner anymore because he arrived at South Africa or in South Africa in 2015. So you count all the years. You have to stay a maximum of 5 years to be given a South African citizenship in South Africa. So you see what we have minus the one problem. Now you are looking at the quality of a strike. You give him the feed, he scores goals. But is he needed at Chiefs? That's the ultimate question. I don't think so. He's needed at Chiefs. Looking at the strikers that we have, looking at his age, and looking at the team that he's coming from. I know you are fed up with taking Mamelodi Sundowns, scraps, calling them Gutama reject. As you said, it's high time now that the Kaizer Chiefs go out in their way to find players for themselves that they will use so that the club becomes better. They compete fully with the Mamelodi Sundowns and the Orlando Pirates. And another thing, I don't think Mamelodi Sundowns might be keen to sell Shalulile. Instead, they might renew his contract. Inkinga ukuthi for him, he wants to play, but he's a professional player. He understands that competition will be there and you have to wait for your chance and then grab it with both hands. But you are competing with a young striker, a striker that managed to score 15 goals. Afike ngo January. Just imagine if he starts with the season, how many goals can Uleon score for Mamelodi Sundowns? There's also Ikram Reyners. I won't count Lebu Mutiba because at Sundowns is not offering Sundowns that much. Instead, Kaizer Chiefs, you look at the strikers that we have, engamusho nje ukuthi okay singakwazi ukumcompare naye uShalulile it's uFlavio Silva because ufikile at Chiefs wenza sure ukuthi he hits the ground running, hoping ukuthi even in the upcoming season he will still hold it down for Kaizer Chiefs and score goals as long as he will be supplied. So ngokuyangami, I don't think ukuthi Peter Shalulile is needed at Chiefs, but according to you, you know wena ukuthi why do you prefer him? Why do you consider ukuthi he might be a good addition for Kaizer Chiefs? Kodwa-ke asikho lapho. Let's move to the next topic. Ibrahim Jabbar has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs and Amazulu FC according to iSoccerbet, and meaning ukuthi he is vele a free agent after he refused to renew his contract with Stellenbosch FC. You see, when we say ukuthi signing a free agent is not a problem, the problem starts when you sign a free agent that when you look at the player, you see that he'll not give you performances that you would say ukuthi when you compare to his premiers, you would say okay, this is what I would get. A free agent that is over the age of 30, you expect that player will give you something better. But you look at a player like Ibrahim Jabbar, he's 23 years old. He's Nigerian. Obvious, one thing that I believe it might be a problem for him to be at Chiefs is that foreign quota. And he is a good player. A player that you know very well, he has a work rate that would be appreciated by a coach that wants a midfielder that will run the entire 90 minutes, making interceptions, playing as a box-to-box because he is a central midfielder, can also play as an attacking midfielder and as a left wing. You get 3 positions in one play. It depends on the setup on that day and how you want to use him. I'm looking at the midfielders that we have at Chiefs. I think there is a spot for Ibrahim Jabbar. But another thing is he good enough though? Because we always say when we sign players, we should not sign because they are available, but we sign because we need them and we hope that they have what it takes to be a player that can make Kaizer Chiefs tick. When you look at our midfield players that we have Ndlovu, we have Maboy, we have Ucele, but let me count our central midfielders. Ndlovu, who's another player that is playing as a number 8. They are using Ungobo as a number 8. So you see there's space for him. If you can also count to Samuel Lozano, it's another central midfield. So I don't know would it make sense for Kaizer Chiefs to go for Jabbar? When you look at his age, now I can say okay, he can still perform at Chiefs. And you wonder why is Stellenbosch FC not having a problem renewing his contract? It is not because they don't. It is because the player itself doesn't. He didn't play much. I believe most players didn't perform at Stellenbosch because of the departure of Steve Barker. He is the one who understood them, how to use them. And now they were very pleased to work under him because they knew that he'll get the best out of them, because he understood their strengths and weaknesses. And the type of football that he was playing was accommodating ama-midfielders. But this one, Kevin Hunt, it doesn't accommodate ama-midfielders. I think it achieves amanye ama-midfielders that going to be released is Sereno and Umatlo, it was reported. So -2, you add him. If foreign court here, it's 5 out of 5. Not unless something else can happen. Ukuthi kube a player el sacrifice one. I believe Guti that one spot should be for a player that you know very well. Guti, he is a forward player. Might be an attacking left winger or a right winger. What do you think of Ibrahim Jabbar as a Kaizer Chiefs player? Take away the quality. Is he good? Yebo noma cha. Today it's all about choices. Usamkelo Zwane, as I've mentioned, mangiqala video, it's another player that I believe right now he's praying when I get back to Chiefs, I have to impress the new technical team. I have to do everything possible so that I can be seen. Samkelo Zwane is one player I say okwakhe nokwamashiyane is very different, because yena age wise usavuma kakhulu futhi. And if anything can change is the attitude and the work rate, and then everything else will fall into place. You know the talent is there, but it's the grit that is needed from Samkelo Zwane. If he can do everything possible to make sure that he impresses the new technical team, and make sure Guti Fernando da Cruz will see him as a player that wants to prove himself to himself. Ngoba vele it seems like everyone has already given up on Samkelo Zwane. That's why I always say, Guti, you can have qualities, be a quality player, but if there's one element missing in your game, those qualities don't count for anything. They don't amount for anything. What is needed is for you to perform, is to work hard. Talent alone won't take you far. Talent can put you into places, but hard work and commitment, it is the one that I believe keeps you in those places. As I was mentioning, I'm a central midfielder. It can be another player that can play for Kaizer Chiefs in that central midfield. If something changes in his game,